Sunday. Back at it once again, folks, for another great video. Folks, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos. Folks, we are out here today on the Caney River doing a beautiful flow. Gonna have a great time out here, folks. Appreciate you tuning in. Let's get into it. Got one. Smallmouth, watch them take it. Fish number one of the day, folks. Think, what are you? Hold up. Is this a new species for us? No, you're smaller. Come here. Folks, you see fish number one of the day. I watched him run up and hit that little smallmouth guy. Appreciate him getting on. Put him back. He's gonna grow up and be somebody one day. Peace out, buddy. Come here. Fish number two. Another smallmouth. Nice smallie. Oh, you were eating something, weren't you? Wow, what is that he's got in his mouth? Is this real? Appreciate this nice little smallie getting on. Fish number two of the day. Real quick on him. Peace out, buddy. Come on up here. Yes, got him. Look at that guy there. Look at the pattern on that guy. He is beautiful. Appreciate this smallie getting on. Fish number three, folks. Appreciate you. Peace out, buddy. This is it for the Ned rigging section for the moment. I got a drum. Somebody got a big net? I think I got a big fish of the day. If I can get him up here. Yeah. Big old drum. Yeah, it's a drum.
I just got a 13-inch smallmouth. I guess that ain't gonna big enough.
No, that ain't gonna do it. If I can get him to touch the boat.
Hey,
Touch the boat, he counts. Oh man. No. He's in the net. He's huge and funky. Don't you dare splash at my stuff, you filth monger. Look at him. Woo! Folks, you see him. Big fish of the day. Big old drum right here. Appreciate this one getting on because I lost one earlier. Peace out, buddy. So, how you doing, man?
I have a quick question.
What's up?
Did you post a video a while back on YouTube about kayak fishing on this?
Yeah.
I watched it.
For real?
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's dope, man.
Yeah, I watched it on YouTube.
What's your name, man?
Honor?
Hunter?
Yeah.
All right, I'm Don Lottie. Good to meet you, man. So what's up, man? Appreciate you watching, dude. Hey.
Y'all been paying them up?
Yeah, man. Doing pretty good, man. Caught some smallmouth. I think he's caught some trout.
Yeah, just do every
Uh-huh.
time.
Probably. That's good.
YouTube, dude.
Yeah, Sunday View Fishing. Yeah, man. Check me out, man. Y'all fish out here a lot?
I do.
For real? That's what's up. This is a beautiful rainbow right here. Oh, this is a nice rainbow. Nice rainbow right here. This is a beautiful rainbow right here, folks. He's bleeding too. I think I can keep him now. Ooh. Oh, what is this? Yeah. And another one. Dude, I caught him and a bigger one followed him up. Come here. Fish number 9. Whew. All right, folks, you see him. Fish number 9 right there. Appreciate him getting on. Nice little smallmouth. Little bitty guy. Something else chased him up as soon as he took it too. Peace out, buddy. Gotcha. I think that's fish 10 right there. I believe so. How many was, I can't remember. When I caught that drum, what was I at? 6, 7? I can't remember. We'll call him 10. I caught the last one 9, so appreciate you getting on, Smalley. You guys see him? You guys see him? Appreciate this little fella getting on. Glad we were recording. Peace out, buddy. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Did you guys see that? Dude, I just had one hit the Ned rig at the boat. I couldn't get him hooked.
Got it. You got it. Smallmouth, it's always small.
No, this is a rock bass.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
Fatty boat, fatty.
It's scarred up.
Is that number 12?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yep, got it. Oh yeah, you got 5? 8, man.
Come on.
That's a pretty one though. Yeah, we hadn't seen any rock bass in a while.
Nah, we haven't.
They were crazy this spring.
Yeah. Folks, you see him, fish number 12 of the day. Appreciate him getting on. He is scarred up. You see that? Look at that.
I could see from over here he was scarred.
Right there.
Pretty looking fish, yeah.
Peace out, buddy.
Yeah, he was close.
All right, folks, that is going to do it for today out here on the Caney Fork River. I had an awesome time. Been really hot. Been a lot of fish, and I've enjoyed it, folks. Folks, if you have not been out here, again, you should come out. There are plenty of trout out here all year long. I'm pretty sure about it. Just be sure to check that generation schedule so you know when you can come out here. All right, it can get dangerous. But folks, again, I appreciate you for tuning in. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and folks, as always, remember, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you all on the next boat flip. Peace.